We are really getting close to spring, but it's not spring yet. So let's open. We can't do anything to the front cover, but soon, one of these days soon. Okay, on our chart here, 117. And look what's happening here. On this row, notice that all the numbers end in a 7. Okay. But then you have a 1, and then you have 7 with nothing in front of it, but then you have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and even over here a 12, a 13, a 14, a 15, a 16. So know that all of these rows you're going to go up. These all have a 1 in the front and then a 2. These all have a 2 in the front, and then it's going to top with a 3. So there's all these different patterns that we're forming when we're making this chart. Okay. So let's go to our March calendar. So Friday, you weren't here at school, so we need a red and a blue marker to catch us up to today. So if you could go ahead and take those out. Friday was the 12th. We're going to write that with our red to keep our AB pattern going. And then for the 13, we're going to do our blue. Okay. And Sunday for the 14th is a red one. We're also working with odd and even numbers, so the red ones are all even numbers. And then 15 is going to be a blue. And you know what? I'm going to show you something right here. I am looking at the top of this page. I made a huge mistake, and maybe you already did what I'm going to do right now, but I just noticed I have not written my name. So please write your name at the top here. Okay. Please write your name at the top of your calendar right now if you don't already have it. That means that on the day that we did this for March 1st, that I must have forgotten to do that. So go ahead and write your name at the top. So when you do turn this in in April, I know that it's yours. Thank you, boys and girls. Okay, and for those of you who wrote your name already, that's really, really great. I'm so glad you did that. Okay, so, oops, let me go back. Sorry. Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. So that means yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. So we need to fill in up to 15, which means I need 4 more dots here. So watch, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So anytime you have all the very top of a 10 frame filled in, then that means you have 5. Okay, so there's 15. And then down on my tally marks, there's 1 right there. So that was 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So whenever I have 4, I know my next one's going to be a slide. So today is a slide day. Okay, we're counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Okay. Now, we're going to write today's date. Okay, it's still winter. Not spring, not summer, not fall. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay. And then the month is not January, not February, but March. So we get to write today's date, and it is capital M-A-R-C-H, March. Put my finger space. 15 is the 1 first, then the 5. 1 first, and the 5, then my comma, and my finger space. 2021. Okay. That's today. So we're in the middle of March now. 2 more days to St. Patrick's Day too. Give myself an exit ticket there. And I'm going to close this up. Make sure I put that back into my math folder so I don't lose it. Especially good that I didn't lose it since I didn't even have my name on it. All right. And we're done with that lesson.